Bonjour tout le monde, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to study the topic of les pronoms sujets. Now before getting into the topic, let us first understand what does a subject mean. A subject means a doer of the action. Now let us take an example. Sarah is playing chess. In this sentence, the action is of playing chess, which is performed by whom? Sarah. Hence, Sarah is the subject in this sentence. Now what does a subject pronoun mean? A subject pronoun means a word which replaces the subject in the sentence. In this sentence, the subject is Sarah. Sarah is playing chess. Now, Sarah can be replaced by she is playing chess. So, she is the subject pronoun. Now, if you are clear with the concept, let us dive into French. In French, there are two types of subject pronouns, which is singulier, which means singular, and pluriel, which means plural. Now in the singular category, there are the following subject pronouns. Je meaning I, as in measure, pleasure, okay. Je meaning I, tu meaning you, il meaning he or it, elle meaning she or it. Another one is en. En means one, okay. Now in the plural category, there is nous meaning we. Remember, in French, we do not pronounce the last consonant. Nous meaning we, vous meaning you, il meaning they, elle meaning they. These were the pronunciations and meanings of the subject pronouns. Now let us get into the details. Now if you've noticed, there are two types of you, tu and vous. What's the difference between them? Tu is used for a single person and when you want to speak informally. Suppose you want to speak with your friend, you will say tu, which is informal and a singular person. Vous is used for many people, that is a group of people, okay, and in a formal way. Group of people are sitting. What do you say? Vous, okay. And if you want to talk to your teacher as well, even if she is singular, with respect you will say vous. So vous is used for many people or more than singular people and in a formal way or with due respect, okay. Now il, ils is used when suppose there is a group of boys. So how will you address they? Masculine form of they is ils. Suppose there is a group of girls, how you will address they? E-double-L-E-S, L, okay. Now if there is a group which consists of girls as well as boys, what will you say? In that case, you will use the masculine form, that is il, ils. So you use L, E-double-L-E-S only when there is group of only girls, meaning only females, okay. Now what does en mean? En means one, as in one should be honest, one should study. This is not gender specific. One can be used in a general sense when there is no restriction on the gender of the subject. One should study, one should be honest, one should play well, okay. In these sentences, we'll use en, O-N. Now as we have seen that the subject pronoun replaces the subject in the sentence. Now let us take a few examples. First one, les étudiants sont dans la classe. The students are in the class. The students is the subject. The subject will be replaced with a subject pronoun. The students meaning they, okay. So ils, ils sont dans la classe, okay. Now the next example, Madame Sarah est professeur. Madame Sarah is the subject, meaning she is the professor. So for she, what do we have? Elle, E-double-L-E, elle est professeur. Now the next example, la carte d'identité est sur la table. The identity card is on the table. The identity card is the subject. In French, we categorize the nouns as feminine and masculine. So carte d'identité is feminine. So it is on the table. Elle est sur la table. Okay. Another example, les livres sont dans le sac. The books are in the bag. Les livres is the subject, the books, okay. So we'll replace the books with they are in the bag. So livre is a masculine noun, and for masculine and plural, what do we have? ILS. So ils sont dans le sac. I hope you're clear until here. Now we have to note a thing. When je is followed by a word which begins with a vowel, je becomes je apostrophe. For example, j'ai un cahier. I have a notebook. In this example, je has become j apostrophe as it is followed by the verb avoir, which begins with a vowel. I believe that you are through with the understanding of the concept till here. Now let us pronounce the subject pronouns once more. Je means I, tu means you, il means he or it, elle means she or it, on means one, which is used in a general sense. Now in the plural category we have nous, meaning we. We do not pronounce the last consonant. Vous means you. Il, ils, means they for masculine category. Elle means they for feminine category. For more such videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Also, you'll find the notes of the topic in the link provided in the description box. Thank you.